How to switch accounts on Roblox Mobile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Roblox account. Now go ahead and head over to the More section, and this will take you in this section. Click on Switch Accounts to be able to switch accounts on Roblox, and just go ahead and click on the another account that you have on Roblox. So that's how you can simply switch accounts if you have your account signed in already. But if you don't, just go ahead and click on the switch account again. Click on the add account button. Now in here, you can log into your existing account by entering your username and password on Roblox, or create a new account for the another account that you want to have on Roblox. And that's how you can simply switch accounts on Roblox Mobile.